A 5,000-page UP police charge sheet has been presented against Siddiqui Kappan, the Delhi-based journalist who was arrested and jailed last year in western UP's Mathura over alleged links to the Popular Front of India, or PFI, an outfit the Yogi Adityanath government wants banned. And it mentions 36 articles written by the journalist for a Malayalam publication, accusing Kappan of trying to further the terror agenda of the Students' Islamic Movement of India, an organization banned by the Ministry of Home Affairs, according to a few pages that were reviewed by NDTV. In fact, the charge sheet was filed in April this year by the Special Task Force of the UP Police before a Mathura court, but has still not been made available to Mr. Kappan or his lawyers, who have petitioned the trial court asking for the prosecution to supply them copies of this document. Well, let's go across to Alok Pandey now for more. And Alok, tell us more about this charge sheet. So the charge sheet talks about, articles written by Mr. Kappan and using those to make their point that he is encouraging terrorism, or he's encouraging some sort of issues and trying to encourage movement against peace or something like that.
Well, you're right. While, as you said, the whole charge sheet is 5,000 pages and we don't have access to it, I have gone through a few pages that are also part of the case diary in the case. And those pages, like you said, yes, point to 36 different articles written by Mr. Kappan for a Malayali or a Malayalam language newspaper or journal. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. And what they seem to imply, what the police seems to imply, is that by writing these articles, Mr. Kappan was inciting Muslims, and that he was indulging in what the police calls communal reporting and doing things that would ensure that members of a particular community got enraged. It also says that Mr. Kappan had networks with the banned outfit SIMI, which is Students' Islamic Movement of India, and says that he was trying to further the agenda of SIMI and of the Popular Front of India, which is another organization that the Yogi government wants banned. Now, one question that as a layman I can certainly look at the moment is whether reporting on communalism, say a topic like the CAA or a topic like COVID and all the allegations around the Nizamuddin Markaz, whether that constitutes inciting anyone or whether it constitutes communalism is something that the police will have to prove in court. The second very worrying aspect about this entire story is that I had a conversation with Mr. Wilf Matthews, who is the lead counsel for Mr. Kappan, and he's also been involved in the Supreme Court representations that he's made, and also with Mr. Madhuvan Dutt, who is a lawyer based in Mathura who is fighting Mr. Kappan's case on the ground. Now, both of them maintain that the charge sheet was filed in court on the 3rd of April this year, and 6 months on, close to 6 months on, they still have not been given certified copies of this charge sheet. At least Mr. Kappan or his lawyers have not. They say that they have managed to access case diaries, etc., so have a fair idea of what's written in it. But as lawyers for the accused, preparing a defense will involve getting true copies, as you call it in law, of that charge sheet, something that they claim they have still not got. They also say that they've been petitioning the trial court, asking for the police and the prosecution to hand over these copies to the lawyers or to the accused. But so far, Mr. Kappan has not got a true or certified copy of this charge sheet, which is very worrying, and one hopes that it will be supplied to him, because the accused is innocent till he's proven guilty in a court of law, and for him to prove his innocence, he will need a true copy of the charge sheet to mount it. So that's something that one hopes will be done. But yes, you are right. This is a part of the charge sheet. Like I said, we've reviewed only a few pages. Beyond that, there are 5,000 pages to go through. So once the defense lawyers do get the charge sheet, perhaps they'll be able to form a defense about it. But yes, this is what the police seems to claim, that he was trying to incite Muslims and he was trying to further the communal agenda of the banned outfit, SIMI.